Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is about how to make chicken chili at home. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, I am putting oil into my pan. And heating it. Now I am going to add some chickens. I am frying it until it gets deep red color. Now I am taking it out from the pan. Now I am going to put some onion onto pan, and also I am going to add some of green chilies. I am adding some chopped capsicum and garlic. And mixing them well. It becomes brown color, and now I am going to add some turmeric and some spices and salt. You can add salt according to your taste. And mixing them well. And I am going to add some chopped tomato onto it. And mixing them well. Now I am adding red chilli onto it. Now I am adding that fried chicken onto the mixture. I am adding 1 big spoon of soya sauce and 2 big spoons of tomato sauce. Now I am adding 1 spoon of lemon juice and green leaves of onion and mixing it well. So our chicken is ready, and this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.